You know what's going on, Churchway, back with another video. In today's video, we're just gonna be going over Robinhood account and Weeble. Mainly, let's just go to Weeble. I don't really have too much time. I gotta be somewhere in a second, so I just wanted to come on here and show y'all what's going on with my profile and things like that. So let's see if we can make this a little bit brighter. Okay, that help a little bit. Let's go to right here. You can see this is on my Weeble account. You got JAMF Holding. I have 5 shares in it. That's up $3.78. The Levi and the Van Gogh Holding is free shares that I received from y'all. I'm going to, once this live is over, I'm going to leave a link if you would like to join Weeble and be a part of this journey with us, with me and Ryan. I think Ryan is in here. Ryan, can you hear me? Hold on. I'm waiting on Ryan to get in here. What's going on?
Oh, not much. I'm on the phone with a
BQ.
lender right now. So I'm gonna get you another banker to hang on 1 second. And help you out with the process of getting approved for a U.S. deal. All right, sounds good. All right, man. You have a good day. All right, you too. All right, bye.
Yeah, luckily I only got to go up the street, so I don't have to leave until 10:30 anyway.
Yeah, I mean, I ain't. Okay, hopefully. Hold on, I just went live, but I can't even see nothing right now.
So we up $6.09 in totality. The two stocks that we was swing trading, they're not doing well, but it is getting closer to that time where it's going to increase up. Occidental and Miss. I was thinking about just going ahead and selling and looking for something else and selling my 2 free shares or 1 free share just to have some more money in. I think that's what we might do in today's video. So let's do that so I can show y'all how to sell and buy things in this video. So you just click the sell. Then you also want to come up here where it say market, click market. And then you also want to just click one because you just want to sell one position, which will be $12 and $12.80. Hold on, let's see. Once I sell it, okay, I sold it for $12.80. Okay, so we're gonna come back and refresh this. It should give me 1 share in Levi. We're gonna sell this one as well. I'm trying to see what's the best way for y'all to see this. There we go. So we're gonna sell.
My live should be working.
Market. We're gonna click over here to one. Sell. So we're gonna sell that just to get some money in here in our profile. So we got $26 in right now. And I remember, let's go to YouTube Studio because somebody requested to look at a stock on Robinhood.
Oh man.
Oasis Petroleum.
I haven't even looked at anything today.
I didn't either. Once I finished counting inventory, I came home and went to bed.
I went to sleep like at 6, and I woke up at 9:30. I was like, man, I had to hop in the shower real quick, and then I looked at my phone. I didn't even check my phone. I looked at my Apple Watch, and I saw missed calls from this lender. Cause I was bored. Like yesterday, I was at work. I was like, you know what? I'm about to go talk to these house people on Saturday. So why not just try to see what this lender says? So now I'm in the middle of trying. I was in the middle of trying to deal with them. So hopefully they call me back.
Yeah, that's gonna be real good for you.
So that's where that's at. And the loan I was looking for, they said, "Oh, we can't get you pre-approved for that one, so you can get approved for this one." So I'm like, okay, but what do I have to do to get approved for this other one, the one that I want? But if not, then it's like, you know what? We're just gonna get the other one. I just gotta bust my ass and save money. So
yeah,
I'll be all right.
Yeah, just like how we was talking last night, I do have a totally different strategy now. So what I ended up doing was, I think I'm gonna just start freshly over with the amount of money that I have in cash out. So I'm still with the ETF stocks, and I still have the Apple and Tesla. So I got rid of Energy Transfer for the moment. And I think I'm just gonna start over and just gradually put $5 in on different days, so that way it can just constantly build up. Even though I'm going to continue to be looking for like new stocks to invest in. So like today would have been already did health. But let's just say media and entertainment. Go to year, go to the worst performing. Soundmark and Sinclair Broadcasting Group. And then you go to 40. You got Interactive, Momo, ACV set.
Hang on, I'm gonna mute myself.
Yeah, mute yourself, nephew. Okay.
So, hello?
You gotta mute me.
Hello?
You gotta mute me.
Yes, can you hang on for 1 second, please? I'm sorry. All right. Chase, you're not loud on my phone. You're in my headphones.
Oh, I was about to say, because I can still hear you. I don't know if you want your conversation on my live.
Oh, no. Hold on. Let me mute me then.
All right, you good. You go to performances, go to year, go all the way down to lower, scroll down. So you got Macy's, Kohl's, and we just looked at Macy's. So let's look at Macy's again. So let's go to stock charts. Macy's is the letter M. Gonna look at this chart. So it's saying it's gonna drop again, as I can tell right there on the 50-day moving average and at 200 moving day average. So it's gonna go up again. But what is it right now in the current state? So this is how you judge this off the RSI. It takes 60.48, right? So it's going up close to 70. So that means it's about to go up, and once it hit its peak, it's either gonna go over, or it's gonna drop, or it's gonna go over. But you just don't know yet. But you see how it's up. Normally, pattern shows you once a full candle close. Right there was an even trade. But if you would have bought in right there, and once it traded right there, you would have made a little profit. And even something that I'm still trying to understand is how to read the, what is this called? The MACD. I don't really understand it. I mean, you can see how you can read it, but I just don't get it. I just don't get it. And I wonder, let's see. Is it like one of these? Because I know Bollinger Bands help.
All right, I'm back. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so pretty much, I didn't even know this. So the type of program that I was looking at getting into, they temporarily paused it because of COVID. which I don't know why that would be a thing, but why they would stop doing a loan program because of COVID, but it is what it is.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, I went ahead and got into Aurora, picked up 5 shares of Aurora Cannabis at 9. Hold on. I didn't even set it to market. I hate Weeble on the computer.
It's definitely gonna gradually go up. $9.11.
Yeah, I got it at 9.
Yeah,
9.11 is what I got it at.
yeah, it's definitely low, and it's definitely gonna increase. The RSI is at 35.44. Let's check out the 9 and the 20-day moving average.
5 and 7 has it at 9.52 and 9.49.
9 and 7.
5 and 7.
5 and 7. And what it has it as?
As RSI. Or what's that right now?
What is the moving averages?
For 5, it's 9.52.
Okay.
For 7, it's 9.49.
Okay. That's 50 cents off of each share. That's pretty good.
And what's funny is that ever since we've been swing trading, I've only made a penny.
I haven't. Let me see.
Just on the trade. I haven't received my dividends that I was supposed to be getting yet.
Oh boy. Yo, so I don't know. Should we stay in Occidental? Let's look. Cause I know I checked it out before. And looking at the 9, it's saying it's proving me to stay here. But let's just see what it'll look like in 3 days.
That RSI is low.
3 days is going to increase a little bit. So maybe we should just stay $12.57. We got in when the share was how much? $12.46. So we got in at $12.47. So it's down only like a little bit. But the price, them selling calls is overpowering. We bought it at $13. Oh, I bought this at $13.86. Yeah, we gotta sell this. I'm just gonna take my loss on this. It's down $12. Let's take this market. Let's go to 1. Sell. MIST. This was the stock that was gonna pay dividend, right? Missed.
Yeah. What's it at right now?
$8.14. We bought this at $8.21. It's not gonna reach nowhere near where we are looking to make a profit off of anytime soon. So I'm gonna sell and get this capital going. And nope, I don't want to buy.
Warning the what?
So let's
What
just.
is YouTube telling me is going on with the stream?
So let's just look at this. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go back to cash out, and we're gonna just take a quick look at 40% Under Armour. Let's see how's Under Armour been performing. Because I remember closely, I was holding on Under Armour because I know it was going to reach at its peak. Okay, so it's not going to do that good. Let's go to 30%. Shoot, that's Steve Madden. Sports and gaming. Let's check out sports and gaming. Let's see what's at its all-time low. Dave and Buster's. Okay, now I done made some plays off of Dave and Buster's. I done made some plays off of Dave and Buster's. Let's see what Dave and Buster's look like. Dave and Buster's is gonna drop, so I'm gonna I got another chance to get into Dave and Buster's.
Oh Lord, okay. So I'm reading on this Airbnb thing.
Mm-hmm.
I was waiting for that, like swing trading. But apparently they might be merging instead of just doing a straight IPO. They could merge with one of these blank check companies. So it's like, oh great, now we got to figure that one out.
Oh.
So that was gonna be interesting to watch.
Everybody that have Dave and Buster's, get ready to sell. Since it hit over the RSI, please sell or take y'all profits. So if you're in Dave and Buster's currently, take your profits now. It's going to drop. Please take your profits. Protect your profits. And at least let it hit around $13.50 or $13.75 and let it go under. And once it go under, then you buy again. But right now, you should be looking for it to sell, or it might stay in the green a little bit. But to avoid anything you see has showed you, it peaks over 70, then it automatically drops. It's gonna trade sideways, and then it peaked again. Let it drop. So take your profits now while you are making money instead of waiting and being selfish. Dave and Buster's is not good, so let's go up to 40. I'm sorry, I zoomed out what you was talking about. You was talking about Airbnb merging with a blank company.
With one of these blank check companies instead of going IPO, that could happen.
And no one knows just yet, right?
Yeah, no one knows. I'm just reading it, trying to figure out what's going on. Cause I'm gonna swing trade it.
When I was reading about Amazon merging with well, not merging, but they've been working with this company that do the
drones.
The drones. You seen that? So I went.
Yeah, I saw that. Was that yesterday's video?
It was yesterday's video. So I went ahead and invested in Aero Environmental. Mint. I don't know how to say this, but I put my last little $6.08 in there, and I'm going ahead and start getting in that because if Amazon keep buying more drones, that's gonna be good. They already got approved. And I'm really loving how Nokia is just dropping and dropping and dropping. Because I'm going to invest in that until it drop. This is, I think, not today, but I think today or tomorrow, I'm going to do this video and read more about the 5G. Just so I know and show everybody that this is going to be one powerful little company right here. Everybody sleeping. Huh?
Are you going to do a video on that?
Yeah, I'm going to go over the whole 5G website and read into it and stuff like that. I'm going to give a whole synopsis. Tourism, transportation, energy, banking, finance. Let's look at business service. Because I remember, I'm going to compare the 5G video that I did from Outfront Media. Let's look at Outfront Media. I realized what Outfront Media was. That's the little billboards that be on the side of the street. They own
That's
it.
what we doing now?
Yeah, they own it. I had no clue until I kept just driving. I kept seeing billboards, and I finally just looked. It said Outfront Media. I said, this whole time they just been a billboard marketing company. So Outfront Media is not, well, it might be good to just hold, but it's at the beginning of the day. Oh, that's tricky. Let's look at it. Let's see if I can gauge it. It's not showing any decline. What should we do, Chase? Should we? Okay, let's just imagine if we put in a buy now, what would it look like? Cause on this KD, it look like it's gonna go down. Oh, it's over. It's overvalued right now. The RSI is 70.86. Never mind. And if y'all can tell that, that's why I looked at that to see if it was over. So should we bet against the market? Okay, let's do this. Let's bet against the market. Let's sell, and we're gonna buy 2 stocks. Let's sell. You have no position to sell for this security. Let's go. 719. Let's look at this. Sell it. Let's see. Quantity. I just want one. Oh, I gotta let this money clear. I ain't got no money. I'm broke. I'm a broke boy. IPO Center. BlackRock Capital Allocation Trust is opening at $20.
Wait, what?
If you go to the IPO Center, it shows that.
Where's that? Oh, in Weeble?
Yeah. Macy's has a earning call today.
Interesting. I wonder how that's gonna go.
Who else got an earning call that you might know? Guess have an earnings call.
Seems like a bunch of these fashion people today.
Momo have a earning call. Smith and Weston have an earning call. I didn't even know they had a stock.
Apple is down today.
Kirkland's have a call. Yeah, we're still meeting at 4 o'clock. All right, you guys. Thank y'all for coming. And I will. So that's what we need to. Okay. While we on the phones, and as I'm getting ready, what would you like to do moving forward? Will nights work better for you on Wednesdays?
Yeah, I can do Wednesday nights.
And we can just go over our portfolio and stuff like that.
And in Weeble.
Yeah, or we can just go over our whole portfolio in totality and discuss like the trades we made, the moves we made, different what we can put on our watch list and things like that. Just to be in tune with our subscribers.
Yeah. So, oh man, I was gonna talk about this in the video I'm dropping on Saturday because I'm vlogging. As I told you guys, I'm vlogging today, but that video won't be out until Saturday. I was gonna talk about how I'm gonna switch my content up just a little bit. Ooh, that's gonna be. Hold on, I saw something I like in the IPOs.
Yeah.
Once I find it, I'll. But pretty much as far as this goes, my friend Malone Money Mindset on YouTube, he's the one that talked to me about the Aura cannabis thing, and he said they're pretty volatile. So if you can get in low and sell around 970, 980, and just keep dinking and ducking like that, you'll be good. But I really want to get into swing trading these IPOs because you can make some buku money within a couple days.
That sounds like a good idea. I mean, At this point, I see that I'm not gonna have the funds that I had earlier. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna slow roll. I'm just gonna slowly invest and just build off of that, but continue to find good stocks for other people. Because I'm just gonna put a little in as I can and realize this is for long term and not short term, and just slowly put money in.
Yeah, because right now it's for me, you know how I told you about that M1 finance split. I'm not just going to do that. I'm just going to throw everything in Robinhood. My watch list, I only have like 7 or 8 things on my watch list now.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just going to do everything in Robinhood because I don't want to keep dividing up money lower and lower, and I'll be spread too thin. So I definitely don't want to do that. So what was I about to say? So I'm definitely not going to do that. But I'm going to start slowing down on investing until once this whole housing situation gets resolved.
Yeah, so like right now, I only have $66 invested in Cash App now. But overall, I'm still up $314.
Yeah.
So it ain't too bad, but I'm just gonna slow down. Just like with Robinhood, I'm up $76.60. But I know this is a long term game, so I'm just gonna slowly invest and not go too hard.
Okay, everyone can watch this. I'm trying to add this IPO to my watch list, so because it's one I like anyway. Shit. What was I about to say?
Okay.
I might get into that Coinbase thing and just get the free crypto and then just sell it off.
Yeah, that would be good. I just sold mine as well.
How much did you put in it?
$50.
To start out with.
$50.
I'm probably gonna start out with like $10.
Hey, it's better than zero.
And just try to get free crypto from there.
Shout out to Martin. He just got a dividend payment.
You in Discord?
Yeah. Still on live though. Just showing everybody some love. Shout out to Steph. He just made some money on play. I gotta tell him take some profits.
I do want to get into crypto at some point. It's just like so confusing. But yeah, Wednesday nights to work. You got a time in mind?
No, not really.
What's up, Below Money? He just hopped in here. So I ended up picking up more cannabis at 9. Why? Oh my gosh, I can't stand Weeble on the computer. Bro, if you gotta go, you're good. I'm not trying to hold you up. I know you got things to do. Man, I should have waited like 10 minutes. It was at 9:03.
Got that new Supreme, man. Let's see if he responded. Just want to make sure everybody is good.
Oh, that's what I wanted to look up while I'm on here. a spike on Friday, that'd be nice. Cause I'm in at 911 right now, so if we can get a spike on Friday, we'll be good. Then probably wait again. You just doing a bunch of vacant place work today, Chase?
Yeah. It's not even work. I'm just getting some tasks done, nephew. I'll see you. Is it gonna be at 4 or 4:30?
I gotta be in North Little Rock at 3. So, cause I'm getting my hair cut, I'll probably be at the barbershop about 40 minutes. So then I can head over to McCain Mall.
Okay.
You about the shooting that happened there? 2 days ago?
I read about it, but oh well.
Yeah, that mess was. I wonder what all happened with that. How far I ended up going with that. I'm gonna let you get off here, Chase. I know you gotta do what you gotta do.
All right.
And then we can just we'll meet up later.
All right, bet. All right. Shout out to everybody that came through. Thank y'all for leaving a like. I'll see y'all in another video. Chase Way out. Ron is out.